Just a quick video to show the final project of my generator. I put it up on a platform outside my house because I didn't want to have it too close to the house, and where I live we get some flooding from time to time, so I raise it up on a platform. It's pressure treated 4x4s are in the ground, and I have a shelf for my gas cans and things. So I'll just give you a quick look and then show you how it works. This side here has the shutter that goes on for the inside fan. In the back there's some detail. They have a solar panel that's a trickle charger from my battery. That's the exhaust vent. That's all metal. And there's my large intake vent on the left side of the box. I'll show you what the inside looks like. It's a couple details. I did put a hasp, and this is a weatherproof outlet, and I just screwed it on, and that's where my cord plugs in. So it just swings down and covers it. It does have a gasket on the back. Put a hasp and a lock on there, and then also down below, this is pretty key, I put a real heavy-duty chain, and these locks are all keyed alike. I have 3 different locks. I have one around my ladder, which you'll see in a minute. One, when this chain goes around, this main 2x6 goes around my whole generator, so it's not going anywhere. Here's just a couple of things. I put some aluminum backing for the hasp because it's just plastic. So this way it's bolted through these aluminum pieces, and that's screwed in up there. I also have an LED light, just one of those battery operated ones. It's at nighttime, just click that on. Here you see the back side of the hole where the cord goes. Just swung that around. And then here's the generator. I have a ladder that I bought so I can get up there. Just a couple things. Here's my cord. This will reach over to my house. There's that chain in there that locks it down. So what I'll do is I'll hook my cord into the 240 volt outlet, and then I'll show you in a minute. I have an outlet over by my house, and that's directly tied into my breaker. This is the trickle charger from the solar panel. So this just hooks up. I have a hole in the back that goes through there. This is my fan to keep the generator cool in here when it's running. So that's kind of what the whole setup looks like. Over here is my outlet box. So I'll show you in a second. That goes into the panel down in the basement. And there's my electric panel, or my meter, so the electric panel is right in the basement right there. So I kept everything high because I do get some flooding from time to time. You'll see my my compressor for my air conditioning. It's a rain barrel. I'll let you hear the generator running. Again, I didn't do any soundproofing because it's going to be outside. I don't really care, but I do have a remote starter. Comes right out here. I'll close it. It'll sound about the same, but there it is running. Walk up to the house. It's still loud no matter what, but it's about 45 feet away from my house, and it faces the woods, so it really shouldn't be too annoying when we need it in an emergency. Okay, it's pretty cold out. It's about 32 degrees, but this shows when my exhaust fan goes on. I have it set for about 50 degrees, so once it reaches 50 degrees in there, I have a sensor in there, a remote temperature sensor, so that's in the house. So if it were on this summer, I could monitor it and I could open it up if it were getting hotter. But it just ran for 15 minutes before the fan kicked on, and that'll keep it plenty cool in there. So it really sucks the air through these inlets over the generator and out the other side. Okay, this is inside my breaker panel. So my generator is a 30 amp double pole breaker in the top. This is my lockout switch, so you can't have both on at the same time. So I have to turn my main off, slide this up, and I can turn my generator over. Also up here I put an emergency egress light, so when my power goes out, that goes on and will light up my panel so I can see what I'm doing. And then what I did, it took a lot of time, but typed up a kind of a map that shows what each breaker runs. And then here I have some instructions, so if I'm not home, my family can figure out how to do all this, and I'm going to show each of them. But basically I just marked out each circuit breaker, and then the green is ones that we're going to use. On the backup, yellow are optional ones, and then red are things that we're not going to use, like the hot tub and, you know, garage sub panel, different things like that. So then what I did, I just bought some stickers here at the office supply, and then over here, these I used a label maker, and I labeled these because they were hard to see. So I labeled each of the breakers, and I put a sticker which correlates over here to this guide. So where you see green up top for the generator circuits, right there you'll see the correlates there. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm done. Take care. Good luck. If you have any questions, write it in the comment box below. Thanks. Bye.